Ever wondered how the food you eat affects your brain and mental health? Let's delve into this fascinating topic. Imagine your body as an intricately designed machine, with your brain serving as the central processing unit. Now consider the food you eat as the fuel that powers this machine. The quality and type of fuel you use can significantly influence how well the machine operates. This is the basic premise behind the relationship between nutrition and mental health. So how exactly does this work? Well, it's all about the brain-gut connection. You see, our gastrointestinal tract, or the gut, is lined with 100 million nerve cells, or neurons, making it virtually a second brain. This second brain communicates with our actual brain, influencing our mental states. When you consume nutrient-rich food, your gut processes these nutrients and sends signals to your brain. These signals can affect how your brain functions and how you feel. For example, eating a balanced diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish and flax seeds, can help maintain the health of your brain cells and even improve your mood. Similarly, B vitamins, found in whole grains, lean meat, eggs, and leafy greens, play a crucial role in producing brain chemicals that affect mood and other brain functions. Low levels of these vitamins, particularly B12 and folate, are linked to depression. On the other hand, consuming too much processed food, high in sugar and unhealthy fats, can disrupt the balance of bacteria in our gut. This imbalance can lead to inflammation, which in turn may trigger a cascade of chemical reactions that can impair our mental health. So, the next time you reach for a snack, remember, you're not just satiating your hunger, you're also feeding your brain. You're deciding how your machine will operate, how well it will perform its tasks, and how you will feel. Indeed, what you consume can significantly influence your mental well-being. Welcome to the world of nutritional psychiatry, where your plate influences your mental state. Picture this, a realm where what you eat doesn't just tickle your taste buds or fuel your body, but also has a profound impact on your mental well-being. This isn't a far-fetched fantasy, but a burgeoning field of medicine known as nutritional psychiatry. This emerging discipline delves deep into the intricate relationship between diet and mental health. It operates on the premise that our food choices can significantly impact our mood and mental health, just as they affect our physical health. Nutritional psychiatry is not about replacing traditional mental health treatments with diet, but rather about enhancing them with good nutrition. A growing body of research supports this perspective. Studies indicate a strong correlation between our diet and mental health conditions such as depression and anxiety. Some research suggests that a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein, essentially a healthy and balanced diet, can help fend off or manage these conditions. On the other hand, a diet high in processed foods and sugars is often linked to a higher risk of depression and anxiety. Consider a study that tracked the eating habits and mental health of more than 10,000 people over a period of 4 years. The findings? Those who adhered to a healthier diet were less likely to develop depression. Conversely, those who indulged in a diet high in processed foods were more likely to experience depressive symptoms. But nutritional psychiatry is not just about what to eat and what not to eat. It's about understanding that our brains, like the rest of our bodies, require a mix of nutrients to function optimally. It's about acknowledging that food and mood are intimately connected, and that dietary changes can sometimes lead to mental health improvements. So, next time you're about to bite into that juicy apple or crunch on a handful of almonds, remember, you're not just eating for your body, you're eating for your mind too. Nutritional psychiatry underscores the notion that food is not just fuel for the body, but also medicine for the mind. So, how exactly does one eat for mental health? Well, it's not as complicated as you may think. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in supporting our mental well-being. Let's start by discussing a few key nutrients that can help nourish our minds. First on our list are omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats, found in foods like salmon, walnuts, and chia seeds, are not just good for the heart but also for the brain. They are integral to brain health, playing a role in mood regulation and cognitive function. So, if you're feeling a little blue, maybe a serving of omega-3 rich food could lift your spirits. Next, let's talk about B vitamins. These vitamins, especially B6, B9, and B12, are crucial for brain health. They help in the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that contributes to feelings of well-being and happiness. You can find these vitamins in a variety of foods, including lean meats, eggs, leafy greens, and whole grains. And then, there are antioxidants. These are substances that can prevent or slow damage to cells caused by free radicals. Berries, dark chocolate, pecans, and even a glass of red wine are all rich in antioxidants. They not only help in protecting our brain cells, but also aid in reducing inflammation, which is linked to a host of mental health issues, including depression. But remember, while these nutrients are beneficial, it's important to maintain a balanced diet. Overeating or undereating any one type of food can lead to imbalances and deficiencies. A balanced diet includes a variety of nutrient-rich foods from all food groups in the right proportions. It's also worth noting that while food plays a significant role, it's just one piece of the mental health puzzle. Regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management are equally important. By incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your diet, you can nourish both your body and mind. So, here's to eating right for mental health. Cheers to a healthier, happier you. While good nutrition boosts mental health, poor nutrition can be detrimental. Let's delve into the darker side of the coin, the detrimental effects of poor nutrition on mental health. Picture this, a diet rich in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats. It might satisfy our taste buds for a moment, but the long-term impact on our mental health can be quite severe, and here's why. Processed foods are often stripped of essential nutrients, leaving the body starved of what it needs to function optimally. The brain, a high-energy organ, is particularly affected by this nutrient deficit. It's like trying to run a high-performance car on low-quality fuel. You're bound to encounter some glitches. Further, the high sugar content found in many processed foods can lead to spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. This roller coaster ride of energy can trigger mood swings, irritability, and even symptoms of anxiety. It's as if you are on an emotional seesaw, constantly swaying between highs and lows, which can be mentally draining. Unhealthy fats, on the other hand, can lead to inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. These are not just fancy words. In the context of mental health, inflammation and oxidative stress can damage brain cells and disrupt the balance of neurotransmitters, the brain's chemical messengers. This disruption can contribute to depressive symptoms and affect cognitive function. It's like having a distorted radio signal, making it hard to tune into your favorite station. In essence, a diet high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can leave the brain undernourished and under stress, potentially contributing to various mental health issues. From mood disorders like depression and anxiety, to cognitive problems such as memory loss and concentration difficulties, poor nutrition can cast a long, ominous shadow. Poor nutrition can be a silent contributor to mental health disorders, making a balanced diet all the more essential. In the fight against mental health disorders, nutrition can be a powerful ally. Just as a well-maintained car runs smoother, a body fueled with the right nutrients can better support a healthy mind. When we think of managing mental health disorders, therapy and medication often come to mind first. But let's not overlook the role of a healthy diet in this equation. The food we consume can have a significant impact on our mood and mental well-being. Scientific studies have shown a strong link between diet and mental health. For instance, a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains can help reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. On the other hand, a diet high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats may exacerbate these symptoms. That said, it's important to remember that nutrition is not a one-size-fits-all solution. What works for one person may not work for another. Each of us has unique dietary needs, and these can be influenced by various factors, including our age, physical activity level, and overall health. But don't let this complexity deter you. Healthcare professionals such as dietitians and nutritionists can provide personalized advice tailored to your specific needs. They can help you understand your body's nutritional requirements and guide you in making healthier food choices. And let's not forget, nutrition doesn't operate in a vacuum. It's one component of a multifaceted approach to managing mental health disorders, which may also include therapy, medication, exercise, and good sleep hygiene. So, while a healthy diet can play a crucial role, it's most effective when combined with other treatments and lifestyle changes. In conclusion, when we think about mental health, let's remember to consider the plate as well as the psyche. Because, while we're chowing down on that leafy green salad or enjoying a juicy piece of fruit, we're not just nourishing our bodies, but our minds too. Remember, good nutrition is not a cure, but it can play a pivotal role in improving and maintaining your mental health.